Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to customize quick settings in Samsung S26 Ultra. If you're using Samsung S26 Ultra and you want to customize your quick settings or your control center, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first, you just have to swipe down from the right corner, and here you will see this settings icon to open control center in your settings or open your settings. Now if you want to customize your control center, just click on this pencil or this edit icon. Now here you can customize your icons or your controls. If you want to get any more control here, click on add a control option and you will see multiple controls you can add on your control center or in your quick settings. If you want to merge your panel like your notification panel and your quick settings, so you have to click on this panel settings, and here and the very top you might see the separate and together option. You have to select together, and once you have selected, your panel and notification will be merged. So you can see the very first you might get notification there. So further scroll down, you will see quick settings or your control center. If you want to change it back, just click on pencil icon again, click on panel settings, select separate again, and it will be switched. You can also edit these icons, like you can decrease its size, also with this Wi-Fi, or you can increase its size by using this sidebar here, or you can go ahead to edit this section. You can move these icons to change their position, or you can get any icon outside this area. So in this way you can easily customize your quick settings or your control center in Samsung S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.